Yn uwch gyngred y Merched Cymru roedd Abertawe'n gobeithio parhau â'r record berffaith, ond Caerdydd ddechreuodd gryfa Ela Hilliard yn agos o'r gic gornel. Dim ond un gol mae Abertawe wedi hildio tymor yma, a bu bron i'r Elyrch fynd ar y blaen wedi 20 munud. Rhediad cryf gan Eli Lake, ond Katie Hosford yn methu rheoli'r ergyd ar y postyn pella. Cafodd Hosford gyfle arall cyn yr egwyl, pas Emma Beinon yn dod o hyd i'r ymosodwr, ond y golwr Cerin Chamberlain yn llwyddo i daro'r bêl heibio'r postyn. Wedi troi fe gafodd Caerdydd gyfle clir i fynd ar y blaen. Croesiad o'r chwith gan Ela Hilliard, a'r bêl yn syrthio'n garedig at draed Kate Jeremiah. Ond yr ymdrech yn syth tuag at golwr Abertawe, Diana Lewis. Roedd na floedd am gicor smotyn yn y munuda ola, ond ysgwyd Danielle Broadhurst oedd wedi taro'r bêl, ac fe arhosodd hi'n ddi-sgôr gydag Abertawe'n methu ag ennill am y tro cynta y tymor yma.
Have set the standards this season in the way they've played. We played them early in the season on the back of a couple of bad results, but I thought the girls were phenomenal today. I thought in possession, out of possession, they won every 50-50. Especially in the second half. We could have, the ball would have fallen a little bit better. We could have got on the winner, but yeah, they were phenomenal, and we can only take the positives from the game.
Just said to the players, let's not be downbeat. Some of the players are disappointed that we've dropped 2 points. First time this year we've dropped points, but hey. At the start of the season, if we'd said we hadn't dropped a point up until this game and then we would draw this game, we'd take that, wouldn't we? So, happy, yeah.